These are early signs that your child might need their airway checked, and most parents miss them. A lot of times if the child is snoring at night, or if you actually hear them grinding at night, that can be a huge indication that there is an airway issue. Also, if the child is going to school and is particularly tired while they're at school, if they suffer from not being able to focus or concentrate, or sometimes even have some of the symptoms of ADHD. All of those are situations where it tells us the child is not getting a good quality sleep at night.